Right guys, in this video we're going to show how to prep the glass sunroof before installation to the 4th gen as well as the brackets. So just like in the old forum write-ups, we're going to go ahead and cut this side and this side, and then using a drill and a Dremel we're going to round out the holes on the 4th gen brackets, which is this bracket over here, and marking it up using this, the 5th gen brackets. So now you get your Dremel with a cutting edge, a cutting disc I should say, protective lenses, and we're gonna cut those two posts, the one here and the one on that corner. Sometimes you can just bend them. It's gonna get hot, so you can bend it with this rubber right here. It'll snap off. What you do is you change this out to a grinding disc, and you grind this flat. You can leave it like that, it won't touch. Spray with some Rust-Oleum, you'll be good. But if you want to make it nice and flush, make it flush, so you won't have no cutting edge here, something you could get nicked on or whatever. Flatten this out, spray it with Rust-Oleum. Get a grinding disc like this, swap it out. Start the grind. Now you got it nice and grinded down, flat. Don't worry about the little bit of nicks, because that's all gonna get sprayed and it'll be protected. And then this is done. And with our luck, it's raining. So we're gonna go ahead and take this inside the garage. All we gotta do is drill the holes for the brackets. Alright, so we line up the holes. We wanna line up these screw holes on this side, which is where the bracket goes to the sliders. You want to make sure that they're all straight, as much straight you can get them, like that. Over here you see that top hole lines up. This one's the one that's off. You go ahead and you mark that. Come back on this side, make sure you line up these holes. Same thing, this hole's lined up, that one you mark. Another good thing to know you got the right brackets is make sure that this notch over here, see that how it kind of does that number right there, and then it goes straight here. Same on this side, the notches, and then it goes straight. That's how you know you got the right side brackets to each other. All right, so just mark that up, the inside holes, then drill them out. This is on the 4th gen brackets, and now all you do is just drill them out. Alright, so now we got a piece of wood, and we put 2 vice grips on the middle on either side, and then you're going to go ahead and get your drill. In this case I'm using the Dremel again, just to put a drill bit on it, and just start rounding that out slowly on each inner one, and then that's it. right, and then what I do is I go ahead and take the bracket, right? I'm gonna go ahead and try it on one side, flip it, and try it on the other. It should fit on both. And there's on one. I want this edge to be straight. Go to the other side. Spray them with Rust-Oleum spray, nice and black again. And clean it all up, mount it up. Now you just do a little cleanup. Wipe everything down. All the dust that came out from all the drilling and grinding and all that. Make sure you wipe up all the edges. Get it all nice and cleaned up before you spray it. So there goes the brackets, nice and painted up, black Rust-Oleum. And then both these edges were touched up as well on the bottom corners. So now you don't see that silver. And there you go, let it dry, install your sunroof.